we just arrived to the airport now of Dalaman, Fethiye. It's in the southwest coast of Turkey. So it's known as a port city, and we are going there to spend 3 days. Okay, so we just arrived into Dalaman airport. It's my first time in Fethiye. I have no idea where we are going. We were so like not nervous but stressing out about the transportation because it's like 1 hour far from Dalaman airport to Fethiye, and then we came down from the airport and we found those buses. They take to Fethiye, Marmaris. So yeah, we are on a good side, safe side. We're gonna take this boat. It's gonna what boat? It's early for the boat. I think I'm excited already. We go to this Fethiye, we check in the hotel, and then we have no idea about the plans, but we'll see what we're gonna get on the way. So yeah, I'm happy at least it's sunny day. Hello everyone. Whoops, we just arrived to the hotel. Oh my god, I love it so much. This city is super amazing. We got a room facing the pool, and this is how it looks like at night. Or you know what, actually no, wait, I need to make another view. Like this is much better. Now we can say good morning. So today is the first day in Fethiye, and we woke up to this beautiful sun, and it's October. We have the mountain view. Staying in this apartment currently. It's just super amazing. It's crazy how we left it in Istanbul. It's cold and rainy, and here in Fethiye it's just like summer and sun. So it's time to get some vitamin D. Good morning everyone, and welcome again. So today is my first day. I just arrived last night by flight to Fethiye, and it took me 1 hour and a half to arrive from Sabiha Handarish airport. So the first thing I did is today morning I rented this bicycle and it cost me only 40 lira for 24 hours, and I'm going to drive to the Blue Lagoon. It's gonna take me almost an hour. So yeah, I'm super excited. Today is super sunny day, it's 28 degrees, and we are in October. It's 13th of October and it's super sunny. I can't believe it that I'm here in Turkey. In Istanbul it was rainy and cold. So yeah, let's take this adventure and we start the day. So I am currently in Turkey's most famous beach.
Today's so different. I speak Swedish, Gidam. I sit right down and write a letter, but Frankie said it better. I almost feel it when you smile. I'll take my time, I want you but I'm shy. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop.
And now will be sunset. Oh, by the bicycle. Morning, the first thing we're gonna do, we will go on the pirate boat. We're gonna visit 4 places, and it's gonna take us like around 6 hours. We come back by 4:30. So we just had our first stop in here. We're gonna have lunch, and I guess this is the stairway to heaven. As you can see, wow, the colors are stunning. Oh no, those tres! Show you something first time you see it only in Turkey. So this lady, she's making sandwiches, sweet, spicy. She's baking it directly there with this beautiful view. Unbelievable, and it smells super good. Merhaba.
Merhaba.
Nasılsın?
Sağ ol. Sen nasılsın?
İyiyim, teşekkürler, iyiyim.
Start pretty easy, people walk. Walking time. Yani kaç? Günaydın abi. Yürüyüşte bro. Walking time is right on the upside and interesting. You are not stopping, but you must keep going to this way. Okay. And flight on either side. You are flying and you must sit down for this. Rotate and
Okay, cool. Nice. Cool. So, I got my chair. I'm gonna sit in here.
Günaydın Reyhan, nasılsın?
Just did an amazing landing. We jumped from 1,000 how many? 700. So yeah, it was an amazing experience. When you come to Fethiye, don't forget to do it. Thank you so much. Teşekkürler. I'd like to mention one more thing. The paragliding, I did it for just 500 lira. So when you come here, you have to negotiate with them about the price because they can tell you 900, 700, 600, but you're gonna choose it. So if you fly without photo and videos, if you have your own GoPro, then you pay only 350 lira to 500 lira. But if you want photos and GoPro and everything, and the whole experience, it costs like between 500 to 900 Turkish lira, but you can easily just negotiate with them, and there's a lot of agency here who they do it, and they will help you to do it. And yeah, it was a beautiful experience. It's a must do. We've flown above 1,700 meter above the sea level, so it was an amazing and unforgettable experience. And we just arrived to the end of our video. I spent 4 days here in Fethiye. It was super beautiful, and I enjoyed the paragliding experience. It was my first time. The duration was 30 minutes. It was super amazing, and I loved it so much. So in Fethiye here you have plenty of things that you can do. You can visit the other village. There is a ghost village, snorkeling, scuba diving, and so many activities. But actually I have just 4 days here, but I enjoyed the sun. If you are looking for a destination where you can stay in October, it's sunny. Definitely you can go to south of Turkey. One of them is Fethiye. You can go to Kaş, Marmaris and Bodrum, and it's super beautiful. I enjoyed the experience and this beautiful view. I have to say goodbye to it right now. So flying back to Istanbul, I hope you liked my trip. I hope you enjoyed it. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos to see more trips of my adventures, and we'll see you soon on the next trip. Bye bye.